Hi guys, my name's Sarah and I'm going to show you how to make these earrings out of scrap fabric. First, you're going to need some scrap fabric, some thin weight cardboard, 2 earring wires, 2 jump rings, a pencil, a medium flat brush, fabric Mod Podge, scissors, needle nose pliers, and a 1/16 hole punch. To get started, we're going to apply a thin coat of fabric Mod Podge to our cardstock. Make sure to cover your cardstock evenly so that there are no spaces that are not glued in place. The whole side covered with glue, we're going to arrange our fabric in place. You're going to repeat on the other side, applying a thin layer and then applying your fabric. Once you have the fabric glued to your cardstock, you're going to cover the outside of the fabric with another coat . You're going to want to let that dry and then flip it over and repeat it on the other side. Once your Mod Podge is dry, you're going to grab a pencil and draw out the design for your earrings. For the design I came up with, I want a circle on the top and an oval hanging below. So I have 2 circles and 2 oval designs. For consistency, I like to make one set and then trace it to make my second. Once you have those drawn, cut those out as well. Once you have all your pieces cut out, you're going to want to lay them out. You're going to take your 1/16 hole punch and punch holes at the top and bottom of the round pieces and at the top of the oval pieces. Once you have all your pieces punched out, you're going to connect them with jump rings in the middle and your earring wires at the top using needle nose pliers. And now your earrings are ready to wear.